too high a gear there, so every time I fucking slow down I couldn't get going again, you know.
Oh man, I've got pains in here and all now, you know, these dehydration pains.
Yeah.
All types of weird shit going on, man. I better get home and get some of those fucking Dior-lights or whatever, you know.
You need this thing Lucas out.
Probably, yeah. I'm fucking, I'm medical at this stage. Like. Oh, Marty!
I might as well go, so we go down there.
I'll get him on camera for us. You go. On, carry on, carry on. Right, I'll call you out there in a minute. Overtaking on your left. Oh, you alright? Didn't hit your head, no?
No, it's my fucking hands are slippy.
It does, yeah, what happened to you?
It's just my fucking hands slipped off the fucking thing.
Yeah, he's good. Your hands literally just slipped off.
Slipped, God, this is fucking slippy with all the sweat.
Oh, shit, one man.
Grand, like.
Here.
You can see now it's trying to take the bike. I can see the way I fucking landed.
Oh, do you know what? I don't think I caught it on camera or anything.
Unfortunately.
I didn't catch anything.
Yeah, no. Yeah. Ah, you bastard. You're on YouTube, be careful with the language. Ah, for fuck's sake.
You nearly made it to the end.
Yes, and it was just like my hands are too fucking slippy going around this thing, like, and
yeah, no, when I seen you there, it's just like, what he hit, what went wrong? Like, there's nothing to have, no rocks or trees here to have sent you off, like.
And you know what?
No.
They're grand.
You got a bit of road rash, I'd say, do you?
No, I don't even.
It's just dirt there.
Just a little bit of.
Yeah, get it cleaned up.
Grand, like, fucking, you see the face is grand. The world right there. Right, the world is. That's the money making, you know?
Did you see the speed your man went past me there? I'm like this.
I know, I heard him a while. He said something like, on the inside, none like bouncing up and something going, what?
Which one's the inside?
I think it was a narrow little kind of thing. I'm like, do it, it's not going to work. And I just see like a little escape down it. Go for it. He just shoots by me. I'm like, oh, okay. Right, Martin, all I'll say is got about 400 or 500 metres to go. You be careful out there. I had my fall 2 weeks ago. Yeah?
That's right, he got his out of the way.
The reason why I'm actually going slow, I fell. I'm going on holidays. And, what's the reason? God.
Don't want to fuck myself up.
Huh?
I don't want to fuck myself up.
Yeah, but there was another reason. I only just fell. I'm doing this on Thursday. Ribs.
What?
The knees better be alright.
I'm sure they will.
A bit there now, but like,
it doesn't look bad. Yeah. That's not an impactor, that's a scraper. He was moving when he hit the ground there. I can see it, like, you know. Yeah. And you landed in a nice little fucking snug little cubby there, like, cause
because I saw it happening.
Right.
I was able to fucking like, you know, he has
The
this
tree or
moment.
is it the ground? The ground.
Nah, you landed in a nice little spot.
I was just like, you know, fucking whatever way it was, right, head first, then body, you know.
Well, what
so
happened? Like left hand, right hand?
They just slipped, and then because they were slipping off, I didn't have any control over the thing, so I just put the thing into the fucking
Into the ditch, you put it in?
yeah, like fucking. But I wasn't keeping control of it anyway. You know?
Yeah.
And at least by turning it in, I was the one fucking having a bit of control over the fall.
Yeah,
you know.
it's
It was mitigating this fall.
Like a little bit further, you're going fucking.
So you'd slipped and you'd no chance of getting the brakes basically, and
Yeah, my hand just slipped over. So
well, watch out. So let me go first. So you can tend your wounds there. I'll have. Case that one.